Guys, today I'm breaking down the brand new Napoleon Prestige lineup. Should you get the Prestige? Should you get the Prestige Phantom series? Or go full send and get yourself a Prestige Pro? I'm gonna break down all the differences, where the value's at, where you should be spending your money, and kind of break down the line logic so it's easy for you to shop at home. So just really quick, little note, if you're shopping for a Napoleon Rogue series, I did a full breakdown on the differences between the Rogue Pro and the Pro S. Go back and watch that video. If you're trying to decide between a Rogue and a Prestige series, Rogue made overseas, 15-year warranty, different hood system, not as many goodies. Prestige series, made in North America, lifetime warranty, a little bit better warranty. Today we're focusing on the Prestige lineup specifically. If you're tight on size, the smallest the Prestige comes in is a 500. The Rogue comes in smaller sizes. So if you have a small patio, that would be a reason to shop for the Rogue. But when you get into the Pro S, it's starting to get into the same price point as Prestige. So there's a lot of overlap there. I always tell people, if you're shopping for a Pro S, you need to just probably jump right up to the Prestige. So that's my tip. Now let's break down the Prestige. All right, when it comes to size, what I like is Napoleon has simplified the size. I think many brands are guilty of this. Way too many SKUs, way too many models, and you just have so much overlap in product, and it starts to become a problem because when you're shopping at home, you get so confused, you can't make a decision. They simplified it to two sizes. Both the Prestige and the Prestige Pro come in either the 500 size or they come in the 665 size. Grills are the same depth. The 500, 30-inch edge to edge on the outside. 665, 38.5. That's really what you're paying for in the size difference, is more space. The Phantom series is only available in one size, so it only comes in the 500. It does not come in the 665. So the Phantom's only available in one size. So there's your sizes. Now let's go over products and features. So first, when it comes to the standard Prestige, again, we can order it in two models. We can order it with the non-connect or the non-smart features, or you can order it with the smart features. Of course, the smart features and the smart feature controls are gonna cost a little bit more money, but you can order the base grade Prestige either way. The Phantom only comes integrated with the smart features, so it comes fully loaded up. But you can do a P500 non-smart, a P500 smart, P665 non-smart, and a P665 smart. You with me? So this is the non-smart model. I still think it's a pretty smart grill. It's just, we're not calling it a dumb grill. Let's check the cooking grate differences. So you're gonna have, I'm gonna just tell you right now, you're gonna have identical burners and identical firebox between the regular model and the Pro model. Let's go look at the Pro model. Look at that. So your cooking grates are thinner on the Prestige. So you're gonna get thicker cooking grates on the Pro, a little bit more heavy duty. I'll show you the guys these side by side. Not a huge difference, but I think it's a millimeter thicker or so. Don't see any difference in the burners. Both cast aluminum firebox, which is no problem. Same rotisserie burner. This warming rack's a little bit heavier duty. Let's measure the hood height here. 10.5, yeah. A little bit, almost an inch taller there. So just a taller, beefier hood. I don't know if that's gonna do a ton from a performance standpoint. It's definitely gonna give you a beefier look. Okay, this is the rotisserie motor for the Pro. This is the rotisserie motor for the Prestige. So beefier, stainless steel finish versus plastic. Better rotisserie system with the Pro. Casters appear to me to be the same. The carts are significantly different though. So the Pros only come loaded up with the new updated smart features. So we have the option here with our valve. This is only available in the Pro to turn off our smart features or turn them on. And the smart features in the Pro actually can control the temperature inside the grill. They cannot do that on the Prestige. So it's a better, more sophisticated smart system in the Pro series. Cabinet system is different. So you can see in the Pro, we have little storage racks in here. Soft close storage with bottle openers, underlit cabinetry. They're meat probes that can be controlled and read in your app. The knobs are metal, give you more color options, lighting options. Just overall, a little bit more of an upgrade there. but inside the firebox, pretty similar. On the regular Prestige, you can see no soft close, no underlit cabinets, same casters though. You do get one storage rack, and then you only have the blue and red lighting. More of like a plastic knob on the front too. Now let's check out the infrared burner. So on the Prestige, the infrared burner is going to be on the left side of the grill. The actual burner itself is the same. Comes with the wind guard, and then that's how you're gonna open and close it. Now let's check out the Pro. So it doesn't slide down, just flips open, a little bit different. Does it look like it sits a little bit lower?
Burner itself?
Yeah, no, it sits about the same, huh? It also comes with the wind guard. So the infrared burner's essentially the same on the two of them. On the Pro 500, you can upgrade to the smoker box. On the 665, this baby comes fully loaded. Now this is when we get into significant like cabinetry upgrades. So their grease management system is much better on the 665. We have better options there. And we have actual like real storage drawers here. And then we have some side cabinetry storage as well. So we have extra storage there, more storage here for like spice racks. And then this is our actual smoker box, which you can see we tested out in the video. That works really, really well. So this is by far the best fit and finish. So what I'm telling you is between a Prestige 500 and a Pro 500, there are some differences, nothing crazy. But when you go from the 665 to the 665 Pro, now you're talking significant upgrades. This is more like an actual like outdoor kitchen. And you can buy like a toe kick for this if you wanted to hide your casters and make it look more like a built-in system. And we tested that smoker box. That thing works pretty good, huh? I'm not saying to skip over the Pro 500, but I think if you're on the fence, it's just like, if you're gonna go for the upgrades, like get all the upgrades. And the 665 comes with everything. The Phantom is really easy to figure out. It is this exact same grill. So it is a P500 grill. Same cabinet system, same storage system. It just has the really, really cool matte finish. The smart features are standard. Now this is not the same smart features as the Pro. It has just the regular Prestige smart features that we talked about. And your really only performance upgrade is you get the cast stainless cooking grates. So these are the best cooking grates that they make. You can buy these as an accessory for every grill, but they only come with the Phantom series. And then sort of that cool warming rack that comes with the Phantom, where you can put your chicken legs in there, your poppers, you know, you can do all kinds of stuff with it. But it really is just a P500 grill tricked out. And special to this year was the 50th anniversary edition. So you get like a cool tool set, and it is a Phantom that comes with that patented Napoleon blue hood system that they used to make. So this is like a one-off special edition model if you're interested in this guy. So where the line logic sits is you have the two sizes, the 500 and the 665. So that's simple, easy to figure out. Where we have Prestige Smart Grills. We have Prestige Phantom series. Then we have Prestige Pro model. So those are sort of our tiers. Now, I think if I were to start eliminating things to where we start seeing overlap and things that are lost in translation, this is my personal opinion. If you're in the Prestige model, just go with the base model. There's no reason to be buying the connectivity grill. To me, they're pointless. Save your money, buy the regular Prestige, either in the 500 or the 665. Keep it simple, keep it classy. Simple and classy. Then from there, if you wanted some kind of smart features, or you just love the aesthetic, if you just love the cast stainless cooking grates, this would be the way to go. But again, still not gonna be like a premium seller for us. And then when we go to the Pro series, I think you're best just going right to the 665 if you're in this price category anyways. So for me, it's like base grade Prestige in either size. The Phantom sort of fits that niche customer that really likes that look, or the cast stainless grates. And then if you're gonna go Pro 665. So I'm okay with the Prestige in either size, 500 or 665, so two models, really easy. You have that niche customer for the Phantom, and then you have the big dog 665. I simplified it down to 4 models. That would be the line logic for me. Both of them are available in natural gas and propane, forgot to mention. But it's really confusing when you're on Napoleon's website and you start looking at stuff. It's like, oh my gosh. And then you're like, what is the Pro S? What's the Pro? What's the Rogue Pro? What's the regular Rogue? What's the Napoleon Legacy series? It's like, oh my gosh, what are we doing here? Like, it's so confusing, and that's gonna stop people from buying grills because they can't figure out what they need. The Legacy series are the old models that they are eventually clearing out. I don't know what their long-term goal is with them, but that's the simple way to look at it. Prestige, non-connected, Phantom model in the middle, Pro is the big dog. Just go right to the 665. That's my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you want to see these versus the Rogues, go back to last year. I kind of did that, but this is the Prestige versus the Prestige Pro. Let me know in the comment section which one you're getting.